Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transform your home into a space that's both functional and stunning, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 game-changing interior design tips that will work for any home. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with a vision. Every great design starts with a clear vision. Create a mood board or Pinterest board to gather your inspiration. This will help you align your style and keep you focused during the design process. Tip 2. Play with natural light. Natural light is your best friend. Position mirrors strategically to reflect light and make your space feel brighter and larger. Tip 3. Master the art of decluttering. A clutter-free space instantly looks more polished. Invest in smart storage solutions to hide away unnecessary items while keeping essentials accessible. Tip 4. Layer your lighting. Good lighting isn't just functional, it's atmospheric. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and warmth in your home. Tip 5. Use color wisely. Neutral tones create a calm foundation, but don't shy away from bold colors for accents like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork to inject personality. Tip 6. Incorporate textures. Mixing textures like wood, metal, and fabrics can add dimension to your space. It's the secret ingredient for a balanced and inviting design. Tip 7. Invest in statement pieces. One standout piece can become the focal point of your room. Choose something that speaks to your style and anchors your design. Tip 8. Personalize your space. Make your home uniquely yours by showcasing items that tell your story. These details make your space warm and meaningful. Tip 9. Embrace greenery. Plants breathe life into any room. Whether it's a low-maintenance snake plant or a lush monstera, greenery adds freshness and a pop of color. Tip 10. Create functional spaces. Every room should serve a purpose. Plan your layout around your lifestyle to ensure each space is both beautiful and practical. Thanks for watching. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.